Hi there, are you looking for a class that will help you to improve your retouching skills? Or maybe you're a photographer who just wants to create absolutely amazing images? If the answer on any of these questions is yes, you are in the right place. My name is Marcin, I am professional fashion and beauty retoucher as well as Photoshop educator with over 7 years of experience. So possibly I might be the right person to teach you Photoshop and portrait retouching. In this class, we're going to work on the absolutely great example, and we are going to start from the very beginning to the final touch-ups. We're going to start from the raw conversion. I'm going to show you how to prepare your image for retouching in Photoshop. Then, of course, I'm going to show you how to get already great colors on the level of raw processing. We are going to jump into Photoshop later, and I'm going to show you how to clean up your image, how to use some additional techniques as well, of course, how to use this amazing dodge and burn retouching technique. After that, I'm going to show you the best techniques that I use for working with contrast, for mastering shadows and highlights, and of course how to use the selective techniques, how to use the masks to create great tones on your image. After we make sure our image looks absolutely perfect, we will make some final touch-ups just to make sure that the image is ready for others to view. Except that you will get some great resources like my custom dodge and burn brush, dodge and burn actions, as well as other retouching actions that will help you to speed up your workflow. Except that I'm giving you the image I'm working on in this class so you can follow all the steps we are doing in this class. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump into the first lesson and create some art.